This is Begin the Ideal Day Meditation. Let yourself sit in a comfortable upright position and gently close your eyes. Put your hands in your lap with palms facing upwards. And as you close your eyes, you can take a deep breath, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. And let's take another deep breath, breathing in through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. And just one more deep breath, breathing in relaxation and clarity, and breathing out any thoughts, confusion, overwhelm, or tension, and just letting it all go in this moment. Just let it go. And as you focus on the rise and fall of your chest, and with each breath you find yourself becoming more and more relaxed. As you find your body becoming more relaxed and feeling the surface on which you are sitting. You become aware of your body, any sensation, as you come into your present moment. And now as you allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm, feeling a sense of relaxation throughout your body, I want you to imagine a radiant, brilliant white light from under your feet moving slowly up your legs. You can see it in your mind's eye, or you can feel it in each cell as it makes its way up your legs, vibrating in each cell as it moves up your thighs, up into your hips and torso, lighting up every cell with radiant, brilliant white light. And you can feel this light moving up into your back, your stomach, your chest, and into your arms and hands all the way down to your fingertips, lighting up each cell with this illuminating light. And imagining the light to flow up your shoulders and neck, releasing any energy, any tension or discomfort as it moves up your throat, into your chin, your nose, your eyes, your ears, all the way up into your forehead and into the brain hemispheres, filling each cell with radiant, brilliant white light. Light of illumination and clarity, light of wisdom, flooding each cell, each corner of your being with this brilliant white light. And I want you to take a deep breath in, breathing in this brilliant white light, and breathing out, Any stuck energy, any tension, any confusion, any thought patterns that you're holding inside your body, just letting it go. And just now, begin to think about the day you're about to have and visualize this coming day the way you like it to be. Allow yourself to see every event, every encounter unfolding exactly how you would like it to be. What qualities you want to express today? Qualities such as harmony, courage, strength, joy, leadership, perseverance, patience, compassion. See yourself expressing all these wonderful qualities with calm confidence. You also see yourself interacting with others in a calm, confident, self-assured, enthusiastic way, with a clear intention, with what you want to experience as your most perfect outcome. And now, I want you to take a moment and imagine and visualize your goals and objectives for the day. Seeing yourself taking action towards your goals and dreams with confidence and clarity. As you allow the day to unfold exactly the way you want it to. And now, imagine seeing the faces of important people in your life. Your family, your friends, your co-workers, all of them acknowledging you, appreciating you, smiling at you, and congratulating you for achieving all your goals and creating such an amazing day. Seeing their faces smiling at you for creating your ideal day. And now, take a moment to acknowledge yourself for all the effort, sincerity, and love you put in towards creating your ideal day. Allowing yourself to feel the feelings of acknowledgement, gratitude, and appreciation for yourself. Acknowledging yourself. Congratulating yourself towards creating your ideal day. And now let's take a moment and allow the music to guide us. As we allow ourselves to feel the acknowledgement, the appreciation, and all the amazing outcomes you've experienced throughout this day. Very good. And now take a moment to again focus on the inhale and exhale of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, as you begin stretching your arms and legs, hearing the sound of my voice, and allowing yourself to come back into the present state. And taking as much time as you like, remember there is no hurry. And whenever you feel you are ready, you can open your eyes. And with your eyes open, you can take this feeling of clarity, confidence, reassurance, and positivity into creating your ideal day.